Welcome back to Thridify's channel. Today, we are taking your product presentations to the next level. I'll show you how to add multiple hotspots, control animations, and make your 3D models more interactive and engaging for your customers. Let's turn ordinary product displays into extraordinary shopping experiences. To begin, click on the Hotspot tool. Next, click anywhere on the 3D model to place your first hotspot. Let's add one here. Give your hotspot a title. For example, let's call this one Arm. Select an animation from the available options that best fits your product. Once done, save the hotspot by clicking Save Hotspot and finalize it by hitting Submit in the materials list. Now, let's add more hotspots to the model to make it even more interactive. Repeat the steps, place the hotspot, give it a meaningful title, and select an animation. For example, let's add one with the death animation. Click Save Hotspot and then Submit. Each hotspot you add enhances the interactivity of your model, making it more engaging for your customers. Here's where the magic happens. You can control each animation of a 3D model with a different hotspot. Simply select the animation you want for each hotspot, save and submit your changes, and your model will now display these animations when a hotspot is clicked. This is how you can showcase your products in a new and exciting way, adding value to your customer experience. Multiple hotspots and animations make your models interactive and memorable, keeping your customers engaged. Ready to create your own interactive 3D models? Thridify makes it easy to transform your products into dynamic experiences that captivate your audience. Want to get started or make changes to your models? Contact Thridify today and let's revolutionize how you showcase your products.